My bitch, she clips because she a nurse.
When I'm down, she give me a perk. Police put up my gun in her purse.
I pull up with
I'm in this world and we looking for money.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see right now, I'm starting off in like a kind of photo shoot type mode. So as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing kind of like my car's first photo shoot with my boy Brandizo. You feel me? So right now we just came back from the gym and playing basketball and stuff like that. And Brando was like, damn, you should get some flicks with the cars. So I said, I bet. So that's what we doing. Also, I gotta show y'all this. I was telling y'all, y'all gotta wait for the parts and stuff like that. You feel me? And let me tell y'all, let me show y'all. Bam, you see what that is? I got some lowering springs. So at first I told y'all I was gonna get coilovers and stuff like that, but I was like, I'm gonna wait for now. So I'm gonna get something temporary, like a temporary setup, see how it looks. So right now I got H&R sport springs, not the super sports, cause I didn't want to be that low like my Infinity. But I'm gonna put those on, and then I got some other stuff coming. I see some wheels that I want and all that. But y'all stay tuned, I got some more stuff coming to y'all. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload, and get ready for the magic. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you, Florida never wants someone to be great. Why is it raining again? I was literally just at the spot taking pictures and reels of my car, like first little photo shoot, you feel me? But I was also gonna get a oil change and all that extra maintenance stuff and an update on my tune, like what's the progress on the DME unlock and stuff like that, like as far as like what I'm gonna do next. But it's raining. Like, it's about to start raining for real, like, it's drizzling, but it's about to start pouring. Like, I don't know if y'all can see the skies. It may look blue right now, but put cash in 20 minutes, it's gonna be pouring. It's life of a Floridian, to be honest. I'm gonna try and not let it stop me. I'm probably still gonna hit up my peoples to see if they still can do an oil change or so. Well, they can, cause they got a shop and all that, but I don't. Like, when it's raining, you feel like you don't wanna do nothing. Like, the rain just be in the way. Like, watch out, bro. What's wrong with you? Like, camera getting wet and all that. Like, come on now. Messing up the little shindig. It don't make no sense. I'm tired of seeing this. I'm tired of seeing it. Like, the car, nothing wrong with the car, but you feel me? Catless downpipe. The car like, no. I don't know what to do with that yet. So the tune is supposed to be like, yeah, take your brain and make it work with this and with that. You feel me? It's gonna work. It's gonna figure itself out. I know you're a smart guy. So with this car, I'm just making sure I'm on my P's and Q's, making sure I do the right things, ask the right questions before I go ahead and jump the gun and be wasting money. So now that I know like a couple more research and stuff like that, I went ahead and grabbed the H&R springs instead of like coilovers for now, because the wheels I want, like, it'll have flush fitment with a good size meaty tire, like without, you feel me, adjustable coils for now. Like, this is not gonna be like a permanent setup. Like, I feel like it's gonna be temporary until I find some coils or until I feel like I want to spend that paper, I guess. But my goal is to run like a 265, 275 rear tire, so I can have at least some grip instead of just sliding all over the place. Even though I don't race, I be sliding. I be floating in traffic. Look, bro, I literally went like not even too far. I went like around the corner and it's not raining. Like, I don't understand Florida, bro. But anyways, it is really up to y'all, Billies and Mandies, you feel me, on what the next mods be for the car. Like, what y'all want to see. Like, I read all the comments, to be honest. Like, so whatever y'all be putting in the comment section, I take it into consideration on like what I should do next. But whole time, I usually just choose what I want to choose first. Like, I don't just be like, oh yeah, Vaughn, go get top mount turbo in the tune and blow your car up. I ain't just gonna be like, I bet, since you won, I'm gonna do it. No, it don't work like that. So I do take y'all advice, like take y'all ideas into consideration, but I do choose what I want to do at the end of the day. You feel me? But everything coming soon. Just be patient. Just be patient. Just vibe out a little bit. I'm trying to figure out some like entertaining content for now. Like I ain't just want to just be spending money every day. Like that ain't the point. Cause what happens when this car full bolt on and it's decked out already? Like I got wheels, suspension, tune. Now what? What y'all want to see after that? More tune, more wheels. Like bro, I ain't fresh kicks. I'm waiting to give me a donation or something. Let me get some TEs, gangy.
Another day, another dollar. Car already on. Got that bit all warming up. You feel me? But it's the next day. The weather is a lot better. Hold on, let me back up real quick. Damn, that's so crazy. This is like around the same time that I was leaving yesterday. Can't even see that. It's 10:10 right now. I left around like 10:12 yesterday, and it was crazy pouring. But now, we Gucci. So what I'm about to do right now is head to Vista BMW to get an oil change, cause the shop that I'm gonna start going to, my sponsor's shop, to get an oil change, they're kind of slammed today. So he was like, if I'm not in a rush, I can come in like Wednesday or something like that. But I'm like, nah, I'm taking my car out of town. So, you know, when you're preparing for an out-of-town trip, my thing is you always gotta make sure all your fluids are on point, like oil changes, make sure you got coolant, all that stuff. Check your tires, basically just be on your P's and Q's, you feel me? So that's what I'm about to do right now, and hopefully I'm gonna tell them, bro, don't touch nothing with any iDrive DME thing, cause boy, if I have to recode this stuff, it's gonna be a problem. Alright, they're doing oil change now, but look at the CSL. Oh my gosh. It's open? It's open. They done messed up. Now it's my car. Oh god dang. I gotta get in with like a race car for real. I can't even drop the seat back. Alright. Just pressing buttons. What if I honk the horn? I ain't gonna do that. But now it's I like it. Not too crazy. Power probably crazy, but I like it. Carbon fiber interior. You feel me? It's coming with I don't know if y'all can see that. 543 horsepower, 479 torque. How much they want for this? I don't think they got a price on it. CSI. Do that? Nah, they ain't got no price on it. Probably 300,000. Alpina. I like this color. Shit tough. The Alpina's like kind of like a boss car. That's what I feel like. You feel me? Alpina with the crystal knob. Oh wait. Jump like the kind of like the Maybach of the BMWs. You feel me? Tough. I'm not gonna lie to you. Something about the LCI edition, I'm starting to like it. I think it's the front bumper though. LCI edition M340. You feel me? How much they want for this? They want 66. 66. M340. Let's see what's on the interiors. Oh, we in that spaceship. Alright, game. We playing Xbox or something. Customize my Beamer. Alright, they got that little doom to it. See what the sunroof looking like. God damn. I'm tripping? What's the name of it? I ain't searching for it. But the thing about the LCI edition is like everything digital. Well, you playing a video game for real. Is it touchscreen? It is touchscreen. Marvelous. But you know, you got the ambient lighting, everything digital, wireless charging. Oh, there is no shift knob? This I didn't know. I thought there was a shift knob. Boy, you flick it. That's crazy. This is tough though. I like the LCI model. Should've. M3. Extra. They want 100 bands for it. You see it? 100 bands. Oh, this one locked though. They hating. Definitely hating. G8 M3. Tough. It's tough. Alright everybody, I'm changing the title of the video. I'm taking delivery of my dream car. Thumbnail right here. Taking delivery of my dream car. What you know about that M5 competition? You don't know. If you don't know, now you know. Peanut butter guts? Alright. I like this color too. It's like a maroon. I don't know. I've been liking different colors. How much they want for this? Yeah, alright. 124 thou wow. Soon. Definitely soon. There go the whip. You feel me? All cleaned up. I got some updates on this. I gotta tell y'all what they just told me. It's crazy. Alright, so y'all wanna hear the update? Basically, I kinda broke my car. I be driving too hard. That's what it seems like. So on the little repair live inspection thing, he was saying that my water pump gotta get replaced because I guess it's leaking coolant. Man, I gotta, it's a bit bright as hell. Turn it down for y'all real quick. Hold on. Yeah, bright. Right. Yeah, y'all can see now. Alright, bet. But yeah, he was like, my water pump gotta get replaced. He was like, my back tires are worn out. But I knew my back tires were worn out. I'd be sliding my car. But I'm getting wheels and stuff soon, so I ain't really tripping on that. But the main part was the water pump. He said, yeah, that is leaking or whatever. So I had to get that situated. But as far as that, he was like, yeah, everything else is straight, but the water pump. So kind of broke Zoomy Zoom. He gonna be alright though. He gonna be alright. He a soldier. But I think that's gonna be it for today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with the maintenance on this Wizip. You feel me? Keep y'all updated on what happens and what I gotta replace or what did I replace and all that. That being said, been your boy Von, and I'm gone.